I've got with me today this KitchenAid digital countertop oven with air fryer. It's 1800 watts, 21 liter, 9 preset cooking functions, no flip air fryer basket, includes a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. I normally don't do unboxings, but this has a unique box. When you open it up, the first thing you see is this quick start guide on the inside. Really great attention to detail by the manufacturer. You can see that it's got this perfect fit and finish right out of the box. Control panel is very easy to see, very easy to understand. It's very easy to operate. You've got here keep warm, preheat, broil, bake, air fry, toast, bagel, proof, whatever that is, and dehydrate. Did I mention to you before that it's also a dehydrator? Dial adjusts the temperature, and you can adjust the amount of time that it runs. And when you hit that start button, the light comes on and you're able to see what you're cooking. Tonight, vegetarian pizza for 25. I'm gonna put it on the minimum, which is 12 minutes, and hit the start button. Even with the convection fan on, the operation of this KitchenAid countertop oven is extremely quiet. You can see I cut off a big chunk of the pizza. I couldn't wait. Really good. If you need a countertop oven, this KitchenAid, it'll do everything you need and a whole lot more.